Hey, and welcome back to the Shine Club. Let's talk about binders. So, binders are substances or materials which can draw heavy metals and toxins out of your body. So, they are really crucial part of the parasite cleanse, and you must take it with the antiparasitic herbs or tinctures. So, let's say there are several type of binders. The first one I will use is bentonite clay. It's the most common. It's used since Mesopotamian times, apparently. And the good one is food grade, so it must be food grade, and it has to be cream to gray color and odorless for safety. So this you can take 1 teaspoon in water and put a lid on it and shake it, and you drink that. So you do that once a day or more times. It depends on your body and your toxins exposure. So somebody does binder cocktails. Okay, you can mix all sorts of things together. Somebody using chlorella, spirulina. Somebody uses zeolite, which is otherwise called clinoptilitolite. Yeah, so it's really not easy to pronounce. So zeolite and modified citrus pectin also can be used. And the other popular thing is psyllium husk. So psyllium husk is really good fiber binder, and that helps to remove waste through the intestines. So it's a colon cleanse together with bentonite clay. And you also use other fiber supplements. And also you can use food grade diatomaceous earth. It's a silica based powder that may help mechanically disrupt parasites and bind the toxins. So this has to be taken with water, and lots of them is on empty stomach. So for example, bentonite clay, better on empty stomach, and also diatomaceous earth morning before food, and chlorella, for example, often taken with meals. But zeolite also can be taken on empty stomach. So these are the things you have to watch out. And when you take the antiparasitic herbs or medication, then you have to take 1 or 2 hours later the removing item, because you don't want to take at the same time. Because first you need to start to take the parasitic herbs, antiparasitic herb, which is going to start to kill them off. And once they're dying, that's when the moment when you want to go in with the binder and remove them quickly, escort them out quickly. If you go in too soon, then the binder will just remove your stuff from your colon. So it's really important to have a little bit of time difference, 1 or 2 hours preferably, and hydration is key. So these are the options what you should consider. And there are other binder elements as well what you can use. For example, apple pectin and black lemonade. And there are several other ones, but these are just a few to name. And we should always make sure that we're using binders for antiparasitic part, but we should always make sure that we have at home binders in case you're doing the heavy metal cleanse at the first stage, because if you have any reaction, the binder can help with the heavy metal detox as well. So, but don't take it, for example, if you take activated charcoal, don't take it daily. You don't need it. You only take it if you need it at the heavy metal stage. So let's say you take the heavy metal detox and you feel headache, then you take activated charcoal or any of these. But if you have the heavy metal detox without any adverse reaction, if I can say that, then just skip them and only use them for the actual antiparasitic step. So the first step is heavy metal detox with all these binders. The next step is liver cleanse and liver support. You can do this at the same time, because cleanse can be overall, so blood, liver cleanse, tea can be used, and then you move on to liver support. And then you move on to antiparasitic stage with the binders. And you should repeat this 3-4 times a year, and most of the population on this earth probably haven't done it at all. So it's really crucial, and please make sure that you do the whole house and clean any duvets, wash any materials that you lying on, and just disinfect the whole house. And try to make sure that you disinfect also the cat litter as well. So it's really important that hygiene and good cleanliness is really helping this issue. So this is about blinders, and I'm just drinking actually the liver and blood detox tea from Power Herbs. It's really nice. It's like a proper herbal tea with dandelion roots and burdock roots and all sorts of things. So it's really tasty, and I highly recommend to everyone to start the heavy metal detox as soon as possible to prepare the body for a proper parasite cleanse. So don't skip this step. And see you in the next episode. Bye.